Hello, welcome to Scrap Time. My name is Christine, and in this video I'm going to be using metallic inks on my gel press to create first layers of my background. So this time I'm still using my gel press, but I'm going to add some metallic paint. I'm using Dina Wakley's media. This one is in sterling, and I'm just going to do one color at a time. Now these bottles don't have a lot of paint, so I'm going to see, I might just see if I can get this to do it, or if it's too little. I think I need a bit more paint. So I'm going to start with, I have a black paper here, and I just think the silver should really pop on that black, but I'm interested to see if it picks up some of that pink as well. It does. Like, look how cool. As I said before, the first one tends to be a little curly, but look how cool. Can you see the pink and the silver? Like, oh, love that. Might put a bit more paint down. If I had metallic paint in larger bottles, I'd use that. But I only have Dina's metallic paint, so I'm gonna see what else I can get. I have another dark greenish paper I'm gonna try here. Ooh, again, that's super cool. I'm not going to put more down. I'm just going to try and pick up what's here, and we'll try a different color. You can see there, even just those splotches of colors. It's all super cool. So let's try, like, I'm going to try Penny. And I want to use metallics again later, but I just thought I want to try the first layer on some of these ones with metallic and see what it picks up. So maybe if I do like sort of tone on tone with this orange, let's see what that looks like. When you do this, as I say, it's all experimenting. There's no right or wrong. It's just... So like, see, that's interesting, but I don't think it's that interesting. I think I prefer more of a contrast color. And so that's where like the experimenting and learning comes in. I'm going to put a bit more down. And like, I have this blue without any stamping, but let's see what it looks like on the blue. See, I prefer it on the blue where that color pops a lot more compared to the orange. You can see the difference. If we pick another color, we have Ancient. I'm going to just do it right over. Oh. Can I get it out? Oh, that one's stuck. I don't have a pin on me right now. Let's see if we can do the Rosy. Rosy is sort of like a rose gold. So we have it over Penny, we have it over Sterling, we have it over the pinks. So I think I'll go with a light color first, see what happens. Yeah, that really shows up there. That's cool. maybe over this taupey color. So see, it just picks up areas, but it will all build up into layers. Doesn't matter what you get. So there gives you a few ideas if using metallics. Again, I personally prefer when it has contrast, so like the light silvers on the dark papers look cool, or the oranges on blues, stuff like that. But again, it's all experimenting and testing it out and building layers onto our backgrounds. Thanks for watching. Be sure to give our video a thumbs up and subscribe to Scrap Time videos on YouTube. In the meantime, here are a couple other videos you might be interested in watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.